Let's be honest, we've all been there. You want to sign up for something online, maybe to download a free file, test a service, or get a quick coupon. But then, the nightmare begins. Your inbox starts flooding with spam, newsletters, and ads you never asked for. That's where temporary email comes to the rescue. A temporary email, also known as a disposable email, gives you a fully functional inbox for a short time. No sign-up, no personal info, and no strings attached. So today, I'll show you the easiest way to create one, and how it can save your privacy online. Let's start with one of the most popular tools, TempMail. Just open your browser and go to tempmail.com. In seconds, it automatically generates a random email address. No registration needed. Copy it, paste it wherever you need, and that's it. You can instantly receive emails, verification codes, or download links right on that page. Need another option? Try 10-minute mail. As the name says, your inbox lasts for only 10 minutes, perfect for one-time verifications. If you need more time, just click Renew to extend it. Simple, secure, and fast. And for advanced users, there's Guerrilla Mail. It lets you choose your own custom email name, view headers, and even reply anonymously. You can use it for quick testing, or when you don't want your real identity tied to an online account. But here's a tip: never use temporary emails for important logins or services you actually care about. They're deleted automatically, and once gone, you can't recover them. Use them only for short-term stuff, sign-ups, downloads, or testing. In a world where privacy is hard to maintain, a temporary email is your invisible shield against spam and data leaks. So next time you need to sign up for something sketchy, don't risk your real inbox. Just grab a TempMail, stay anonymous, and keep your main email clean. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more privacy and tech tips, and share this video with someone who hates spam as much as you do. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.